Guys. Yeah, you guys get the point. So, if you guys are thinking about getting a halftime plugin, this just shows you the power of what you can do with the melodies and how it works. Yo, what's up guys? So here I have 5 really cool melodies for you, and basically I'm using halftime, and I just wanted to demonstrate the power of halftime. So all I've done on here is I've selected the bar, set it to 1 on both, and I'm using the mode 2 times at basically 1 out of 4, so giving us this kind of quarter kind of loops effect. That's all I've done. So let's have a look at the first melody, Before and After. Now you guys can download all these melodies. I'm using Keyzone Classic, so you guys can download Keyzone as well for more description. A really nice kind of piano. Check this out. So yeah, can't go wrong, and it got a lot of different kind of presets. I'm using the Yamaha ground piano, so you guys can grab it for more description. Now let's check out these piano loops. Now you guys can download these melodies that I have created for this tutorial as well. Check this out. So this is the first one. Now with the halftime on, and you guys can grab halftime below in more description as well. You can download the free trial or get it from producer Buzz as well. Check it out, definitely worth grabbing. And if you guys want to buy the full version, it's like $11 or something like that. It's crazy cheap at the moment from ADSR, so you can grab it below as well. Really cool. And this is how it sounds after. Wow. Now let's have a look at the second melody. So again, without the effect. So second pattern should be play. Now with the halftime. Woi oi. Guys, amazing, absolutely amazing. Let's have a look at the next one without halftime. Now with the halftime on. Wow, guys. Next one, guys. Pattern 4. Check this out. Without the effect. Now I'm working in G scale, as you guys have probably noticed. So halftime, check this out. Bro, that is mad. How can a melody just transform like that? I mean, if you guys haven't got halftime yet and you're making hip hop and trap beats, don't even think about it, guys. And the best thing is you can actually lower the input, so you can take it to 1.5 mode and it gets a bit easier, not that dark as well. Really cool. But again, I'm going to leave it on 2. And again, you can also change the way that the loop comes in. See that? I like that quarter one, it just sounds perfect. And guys, the last sound, here we go. Again, I want to see what you guys think of this. Definitely worth grabbing, right? If you guys haven't used halftime and you think about it, hope this video will help you. Wow. By the way, I made all of these melodies myself. I just made them up. So hope you guys like them. If you enjoyed them, make sure you smash the like and hit the like. Guys, after. And again, you can go half loop. Wow. And then obviously you guys can add more effects, like you can add sound goodizer, stereo shaper, maybe some reverb, maybe alter the EQ a bit. Guys, yeah, you guys get the point. So if you guys are thinking about getting a halftime plugin, this just shows you the power of what you can do with the melodies and how it works. Simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you want to go and grab the halftime plugin, again, you guys can download all 5 piano loops and you can get the whole FLV project from my Patreon page. If you guys want the MIDI to all these 5 piano loops, you can get them from free from the website. If you want the full FLP page with everything on there ready for you set like this, get it from my Patreon. So if you haven't already, make sure you support me and join my Patreon page. Apart from that, see you again soon. Peace out. Subscribe. Ciao.